TeachAnOldDogNewTricks.com. More than 40 hours of free computer training. Sit, stay, and learn. Thank you. Hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is Tony Holowitz, and I want to talk to you about giving some of your Microsoft Word documents a little bit of a pizzazz or a look or a feel. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to where it says Format, and I'm going to go down to where it says Background, and I'm going to come over to the right, and I'm going to go down to what are called fill effects. So I'm going to click on that, and I have a lot of different options here. Now, gradient is probably one that I would personally choose because I think it's something that would work well, but I'm going to move past that for just a moment. I'm going to take a look at texture. Well, if I want to add a texture to the back of this entire document, let me just take this blue one, click OK, and you'll see what it does. It puts a texture in Microsoft Word. Now, obviously, that's not going to work real well because of the fact that we have black on the blue texture, and it just doesn't look real good. Let me go up and click on Undo. I'm going to go up again, click on Format. I'm going to go back down to Background. Let me go down to Fill Effects. I'm going to choose Picture, and because we're talking about the Constitution, I decided we might want to use one of our founding fathers, Thomas Jefferson, and I'm going to click on that, click Insert, and again I'm going to click on OK, and you'll see what it does. It puts his picture in the back of this. Now, if you printed this out, it would probably eat up all your ink, so I wouldn't suggest you do that. Let me click Undo. Let me go back up, go to Format. Let's go down to Background again. Let's go back down to Fill Effects, and I will take the gradient. And let's say that we want to do just a one color gradient. Well, you have a lot of options here. Let's just take the color orange so it shows up a little bit. You have all kinds of shading styles from bottom up. It's too hard to describe all of these. I just would urge you go in and take a look at these. But probably the most important thing, regardless of the color, regardless of the gradient you choose, what you're going to find is some of these gradients allow you to make them lighter or darker and also affect the transparency. So let's click on OK and let's take a look at how that looks. Now, the reason I like gradients is because it adds a little depth to your document, but the coloring isn't overwhelming. I can't promise how well this is going to print out on a standard printer because it might fade in and out. If we go up and click on the print preview, we can take a look and see what it's going to look like, but it's not showing us the gradient. So I'm going to click Close. But again, that's what it will look like when you're working with your document. My name is Tony Holowitz. I hope this was helpful. Thank you very much.